Your melanin isn't dry, it's dehydrated. Melanated skin loses moisture faster than any other. Not because it's damaged, but because it's alive. That tightness, that fading glow, it was never your fault. It was dehydration and the world pulling water from your skin. Step 1, Fresh Face Cleanser. A gentle beginning that cleanses without stripping. Step 2, Nectar Radiance Serum. Deep cellular hydration. The glow your skin has been thirsting for. Step 3, Hydro Glow Cream. Your daytime hydration armor. And step 4, Peaceful Night. A deep restoration body butter that replenishes while you sleep. This is your 24-hour hydration ritual, crafted for the brilliance of melanated skin. Your glow isn't gone, it's simply waiting to be watered.